Okay, hello guys. In this video I want to show you how to learn online from the called Future Learn. We have to research Future Learn. After that, when we enter to the website, we need to sign. For me, I already signed. Log in. Then we go to course. When we go to the courses, then we select short courses, then scroll down till we get free digital upgrade. After that, as you see, so many options are appear here, so many subjects, so you can select subject that you subject that you need or subject that you desire. So okay, let's we click this one and they show you the like how many hours per week and how many week per course. So we select this one. So if you interest, you just click join and you can join. So here I show you my profile because I already joined 2 classes. So these are my classes. I joined 2 courses, computer and learning to code. Okay, you see now like I'm studying, in the process, and you see this the facility of the study. Videos, you can get discussions, too many exercising, and also they show you some like video. In the video you can download HD or standard, and you can see you can open the transcript, or like if you can understand, you can just see the transcript here, show you as subtitles, and amazing, something amazing.
The first thing we were going to mark up is headings.
Then here, like when you finish, you have a test as like a general test. As you see now, I did finish, and then I did my test. You see, alhamdulillah, I got 13 from 50. It's not that easy and not really hard. It's something just quite. So you see, when you finish from the exam, you can get notification. But by the way, so notification show you that you are in the certificate because you succeed. So if you want to earn the certificate, you have to get 70% above. Then they give you option to download your certificate, and that one I already this certificate already had it last time. Okay, you see now the process of downloading start, so we can open and see the certificate how look like. You see, oh, this is the certificate. As you see, my full name, by the way, this my name is too long, yeah. Okay, you see this show you the name of the program and the name of the university. Also they show you your grade. I got 86%. Then they show you what you learned from this course. Amazing, right? So also, if you didn't go to the you can go here, you go to the email and you get a notification in your email. You can download your certificate. They tell you that, and you can enter directly. Then you can open your code, and you see here they congratulate you again for your certificate. This in case you didn't download from there, you can get, or if you lost your internet and you don't know, you just go, you can get